In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use both portrait and landscape orientations in the same Microsoft Word document. Sometimes, you may need a wide page for a table, chart, or diagram, while keeping the rest of your document in the standard portrait layout. The good news is, Microsoft Word makes this easy with the use of section breaks. To begin, open your Word document or create a new one. Identify the page that you want to change to landscape. Place your cursor at the end of the page right before it. This is important because Word applies layout changes to sections, not individual pages, so we need to separate this part of the document from the rest. Next, go to the Layout tab at the top of the screen. Click on Breaks, and in the drop-down menu, look under Section Breaks. Select Next Page. This action creates a new section starting on the next page, allowing you to apply a different orientation without affecting the pages before it. Now, move your cursor to the page you want to display in landscape. While still in the Layout tab, click on Orientation and select Landscape. You'll immediately notice that only this section of the document changes, while the previous pages remain in portrait orientation. This is a perfect way to add wide tables, graphs, or diagrams without disrupting the rest of your document. If you want to return to portrait orientation on the following page, repeat the process. Place your cursor at the end of the landscape page, go to Layout, click Breaks, choose Next Page under Section Breaks, and then change the orientation back to portrait. Each section can have its own independent layout, so you can mix and match portrait and landscape as needed throughout your document. Using this method ensures that your document remains organized and professional. Wide content gets the space it needs, and the rest of your text keeps the standard format, which is especially useful for reports, school projects, or professional documents that include charts and diagrams. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and the strategic use of section breaks, you can easily mix portrait and landscape pages in a single Word document. Now you can format your content exactly the way you need it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.